Okay, I've never owned an Xbox before, but for some reason I now have this Halo-flavored specimen, and I told my friends about it, and they thought that was neat, and they said, do an unboxing video. So I was like, okay, I don't know what it does. I've never played Halo before. I think, like, you take Halo, you play as Halo, and you gotta go beat the Master Chief. I don't know. Anyway, oh, it's quite pretty. Series X, that's neat. Let's look at it. Well, that's the boring side. Look at this one. Oh, you can power your dreams with it? That's nice. Oh, that's just some pretty artwork. That's nice. Ooh. 20 years. Congratulations. There's the top. Let's cut it open. Underneath, a little slipcase. That's very pretty. Focus. There, you can pause the video and read that if you like. Very nice. Bless you. Ooh, shiny. Good gravy. Is this custom foam? Look how pretty. Ooh, very nice. Shiny. Oh wait, it's still just another box. Don't forget the insert.
A picture of Captain Halo on it, and it tells you all kinds of neat stuff.
Wow, I like to make custom boxes for all my breakables and super duper electronics, but this might suffice in and of itself. I have another box. Or another slipcase or something. UNSC. 117. Like there's 117 levels. That's how many times you have to beat Master Chief. I don't know. It's more packaging. Boy, this just goes and goes. Guys, I think I found it. Wait, this might be upside down.
Aha, there's the top.
If we can pry it from its burial shroud.
Let's clean up after ourselves.
Oh wait, there's more pieces. Excuse me, there are more pieces.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's pretty wizard. Ooh. Okay, so we've got a cord, this other cord, a couple of batteries in a bag for this beautiful controller. Look how shiny it is. Oh, don't forget the insert. I like this box, you guys. This is a nice box. Okay, now we can clean up. I know how to do puzzles. Steal the HDMI cable from the Apple TV and perfect! It actually came with its own HDMI cable. I just didn't want to reach behind the TV because I'm lazy.
Oh, isn't it pretty? So shiny. Okay, let's see what it do.
Oh, that is a really nice grip. I like the feeling of this controller. Okay, yes, hello. Oh, they speak! They speak to one another! What do you have to say? Oh, it says Ekbok. Neat. Oh, it wants me to set up with an app in every language. Dobry den. Hey. Hello. Hi. Hola. Putting in the password for my Wi-Fi and no peeking allowed. It's all good. So nosy. Fresh out of the box and we're updating already. It's thinking hard about life. Oh, it wants me to do stuff now. Oh, I can't do this with just one hand, guys. Oh, but here I can use both hands because it told me to just put it down and not move it around. Why does this need an update fresh out of the box, too? Almost there. KermitYay.gif! Oh, a Microsoft account. Oh. I don't think I have one of those. Do I want the rigmarole of a new email, or do I continue to use the one I've been abusing since 9th grade? I'm gonna ride that email into the ground. 12 characters. Is this allowed? Dang it! Well, I better take this whole setup back to the store. Can't start with a number? Nope. You kidding? Contralto's not taken yet? But it's not Contraltissimo. Well, I accidentally selected Contralto as my gamer tag, and I guess the suffix mean that other people have chosen that after all. I'll just change it later, I guess, because it's getting late. I've been through so many screens, and I'm tired. Huh. Yeah. Oh look, it comes with Captain Halo. Let's go for real. Am I ready to step through the warpy portal to oblivion? Oh hey, I have a dashboard. Ooh, can I play the Halo Infinite multiplayer beta?
It's installing.
Oh man. This should keep me busy. Oh, it's ready. Ooh la la. Hey look, I can customize my guy. Would you check out these colors? Oh my gosh, I can feel the heat rising from this thing. Lol, what the heck? Okay, I think we're tricked out enough. Let's play some games and watch me die a lot. Oh gosh, I'm gonna get murdered. Okay, that's enough dying. I don't know what any of this gobbledygook means. It means soon I'll get to play as Captain Halo and go defeat the Master Chief and get to level 117 and do stuff when that comes out on December 8th. And let's let this conclude the unboxing video of the magic Halo flavored Xbox. Good night. Bonjour. Ciao. Sia. Hoi. Hey. Oi. Zdravím. Hey. Hey. Merhaba. Yeah. Oh. 你好. 你好. Oh. こんにちは.